Introducing HeyGen, the revolutionary AI creator tool that brings your ideas to life in minutes. With HeyGen, you can create realistic avatar spokespersons or digital teachers effortlessly. Simply choose your avatar, customize its appearance and voice, and voila! Your professional quality video is ready to impress. Forget spending hours on video creation. HeyGen does the hard work for you, allowing you to focus on what matters most, your content. And here's the best part. Click the link in the description below to visit HeyGen's website. By using our affiliate link, you'll not only discover the power of HeyGen for yourself, but you'll also help support our channel, allowing us to continue creating amazing content for you. So what are you waiting for? Click that link and unlock the potential of HeyGen today.